Hello dear audience, this is Imdad speaking. Welcome to this video. Today I am going to share something very special for marketing and sales. Imagine you have opened the new burger shop in your city. Your burger is delicious, your shop is beautiful, and your staff is friendly. But nobody comes. Now tell me, what is your problem? Marketing or sales? Obviously, marketing. Most of the people think that marketing and sales are same thing. Actually, they are like two wheels of a bicycle. Without one, the business cannot move. Today, in just a few minutes, I will explain the real differences between marketing and sales. Which come first, sales or marketing? Why both are essential, and which career gets more value in Bangladesh?